Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for coming back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to share with you my hairstyling products. I received a lot of messages from all of you to show the products that I received. I'm really sorry. It was just the beginning of my channel and I was not sure what to put in and what not. So your comments and your requests really help me to make my videos better. I really appreciate your messages and your love that you send and all the feedback. So I've taken that on board, and today I'm going to show you all of my hairstyling products that I keep in my bridal kit and all of the products that I mostly use on my dolly's head when I'm practicing it. So first of all, something that I really like and it's absolutely changed my life is this VO5 texturizing sea salt spray. This is really important and it really helps if any of your client has very fine hair that you can't manage. So I'll explain a little bit here. So fine hair are like silk. So if, for example, you try to mold silk in a way or put it somewhere that it takes a shape, you won't be able to do it. So for that you need to make sure that it has some sort of body. It's the same with our hair when we're trying to style it, and some people have very silky hair. It's almost impossible to create texture in those kind of hair. So this spray is really helpful. You spray it, quickly blow dry it, and it kind of gives a roughness, a texture to that silky hair. It's quite funny when somebody have silky hair, we try to make them rough. Not rough as in like really rough, but try to create some sort of texture. Whereas if someone have rough hair, we try to give them some sort of moisture, or I would say some shine to it. So it is how it works. We need a medium kind of hair texture to achieve different hairstyles, which is why we use different products. So this product we use for silky hair or the hair which are very fine, and we need to get some texture in them. Now this is a product that you must have seen me using quite a lot of time. It's called Brilliant Shine Cream, super shiny finish with heat defense. So this is kind of like a, not a gel, but it's like a cream paste. This gives beautiful shine and it takes away the frizz in the hair. When you're doing a hairstyle and you're trying to get all those tiny hair to give it a smooth look but you can't achieve it, this is a thing that does the job for you. So you take a pea-sized amount of it, and what you do is you literally rub it in your hands, warm the product up, and then just work your way through in the hair. And this gives beautiful shine, and it helps you get rid of all the frizz in the hair, all the tiny hair which are flying around everywhere. So this product is really helpful. Now this is a shine spray by Lee Stefford. I only use it for my Asian brides, because in Asian brides they need a lot of shine in the hair and they want the hair sometimes quite sleek. Some of them like textured hair, which is fine, and some of them like shiny hair, which is entirely on their choice. So this what it does when you've completed the hairstyle, what I like to do is I like to spray it all over the hairstyle, and it gives a beautiful shine. Now I've got this another product by Lee Stefford, and this is spray wax. It's a very lovely product. So what happens if you try to use the wax or something straight out of the box, you might take too much or too little. This is a very lovely product. It's wax in a spray. So what you do is if you try, again, it smooths out the hair. So again, if there are so many flyaways, or if there are any I would say unruly hair that you can't get together, bring them together to do a hairstyle, this spray is really nice. It's not like a hairspray that will stiff the hair out, but it's like wax in a spray, if that makes sense. This is another product by John Frieda. It's called Frizz Ease. It's the 6 effect serum. It eliminates frizz, humidity protection, heat protection, smooths, hydrates and tames. It's kind of a similar product to this, but I use it when I straighten the hair. Some people have really frizzy hair, and before creating any hairstyle you need to straighten them, and it does not only work if you just blow dry something. Straightening is really important for some hairstyles. So I use this. It really helps to smooth out the hair and take away the frizz. Again, you need to make sure that the style is frizz free. My style personally is a bit messy and romantic and boho, but still, even giving that trying to achieve that messy hairstyle, you need to make sure there's a balance between messy and how sleek you want. So to maintain that balance, you need to make sure that you have products that take away the frizz and let you create a hairstyle which is messy yet clean at the same time, if it makes sense. Now this is a very interesting product. It's Give Me Texture Instant Oomph Powder, and this is a very nice product if you're creating a hairstyle and you want some bits to stand and to give like a quick texture to the roots. What you do is you open it, it's like a powder, and you just tap it some on the root, and then you just massage it with your fingers, and it gives a very good texture and oomph, like it says. It's a very lovely product. 2 more products that I have are these color fixes. One I have in dark blonde and the other one is dark brown. So dark brown works for all of the browns and the blacks, and this one is for slightly blonde hair. So what it is like, some people have got really thick hair, but these receding hairlines are really empty and there's no hair here. Again, some people have got receding, some people have got bald patches around here, and what it does when you achieve the hairstyle, you somehow create some volume or thickness in the hair with the teasing or anything else, but the scalp always shows. So when the scalp is showing, it does not give a very nice look. So what this product does is it's kind of like a hairspray. It's a root touch-up spray, but you spray it quickly. You need to do it carefully that it's not coming on the face anywhere, otherwise it can ruin. And you spray it and then it covers the scalp, and then it looks like the hair there, if that makes sense. It's just a color, but then it takes away the showing of the scalp or the skin. Again, it's in another color. Sometimes what I do is, if I have hair padding which is not matching to the hair color of the bride or the client, what I do is I put the padding in and then I spray it with this one or this one, depending on the color of the hair, and then it gives me the right color that I need. Last but not the least, I have 2 hairsprays. This one is El Net Satin by L'Oreal Paris. It's a very light hold, although it says extra strength, but it's like you can brush it out even after doing that. And there's this one, it's my absolute favorite. It's Tresemme hairspray, fine spray, freeze hold, long lasting finish, brush out easily. No, it does not brush out easily at all. Once you have sprayed it, the hair are literally glued. So this thing, brush out easily, is not nice. Fast drying, yes, it is fast drying. It's the number 5-1 hold. Probably if you take the 1, 2, 3, maybe they can brush out, but this one does not. Okay, so why do I have these 2 hairsprays? The reason behind it is this one I use when I'm curling the hair. So some people have got hair which has a lot of weight, so when you curl them and you leave them, they weigh down and the curls loosen up and they do not stay like you want them to be. So sometimes you do tight curling and sometimes you do loose curling. When you're doing loose curling, it's fine to do a tight curl and leave it, and it's going to drop and you're going to achieve the hair curl that you're after. But then sometimes you need tight curls, but when you leave them, they don't stay. So what you need to do is you need to brush out that section of the hair, spray it with this one, curl it, and then you put it and then you put a pin or a clip, which is called pin curling. So for that purpose this product is really good, because after that you need to style as well. If you do a very freeze hold spray, it's not going to be as helpful, because it's going to freeze the hair there, and then after styling would be really hard for you. Now this one, when my bride or my client is completely happy with the hairstyle, I've shown them what I've created. If they want to do any changes or anything, I do the changes, and after that, when I've done everything and they're happy with the hairstyle, I take this bottle and I spray it like too much. So once you've done that, you are now sure that the hairstyle is not going to move. I've had English brides, they do a lot of dancing on their wedding evening when they have the party after like the evening party, and all of my brides next day tells me, or whenever they've got time to send the review or the feedback, that the hair did not move. It was just because of this hairspray, because it's so good and it does not let your hair move once you have secured them properly and once you have done a good spray of this. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any more questions about any products that you want to use, that you want to ask. I don't have a ton of products in my kit. It's because I've got a lot of makeup products as well, so it makes my kit really heavy to carry. So all of these products I have I've chosen very carefully with the time, and all of these products are the products that actually works for me, and I can always achieve every hairstyle by using these products. If you have any other products that you really like, or you think I should have, and any of these products that did not work out for you and you've used them, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know what do you think about these products, or any other products which are your absolute favorite, and I will be making more of these videos. Please let me know in the comment section below what videos do you want to watch next, and I'll be really happy to make those videos for you. Thanks very much. Bye.